In a world of challenges, shadows loom. A new path emerges. Push past limits, conquer doubts, rise to the edge. Embrace your strength and potential. Peak Male Edge, where men rise.
Every man has two versions of himself. The one he shows the world, and the beast inside. The beast is hunger. The beast is power. The beast is the primal force that refuses to settle. Most men bury him. You will release him. The beast doesn't complain. He doesn't procrastinate. He doesn't need motivation. He acts. He hunts. He dominates. Your primal energy is waiting. Tap into it. Train like it. Live like it. Boost your masculine vitality, primal stamina, and daily drive. Link in the description. Unleash the beast. Become unstoppable.
Welcome to the Peak Male Edge lifestyle, where we explore how to elevate every aspect of your life. It's about cultivating discipline, purpose, and unwavering confidence to achieve your highest potential. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and consistently push beyond your perceived limits. This journey is about building a legacy, not just living day to day. Discover the tools and mindset to sharpen your edge and live a life of profound impact.